और बस इतना कहूँगा, गुरुअण्णा, you sang the Dhadkan song so beautifully. So I'd end that singing by saying, Anjali, Anjali, मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये हो नहीं सकता, और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा. तुम मेरी हो और हमेशा मेरी रहोगी. Anjali left Dev and went to Ram. I think that was the biggest mistake. She should have stayed with Dev.
Yes, yes, yes. There's nobody like Dev who can love Anjali more than Dev.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ actually, you wanted to support Tulu culture, Tulu cinemas, and you have always been a great support to Tulu culture,
Absolutely,
sir.
absolutely.
So wherever, like, ಅವ್ರು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರು ಕೂಡ, you were always rooted to Tulunadu. So when it comes to Bangalore, what's your best memory about Bangalore, sir?
I mean, a part of Karnataka, of course.
Yes?
You know, I was always connected to Bangalore because my late sister, Sumangla, she was living in Bangalore. My brother-in-law, Madhubhava, is with me here. So,
Hello, sir. Welcome.
Bangalore for me meant, of course, childhood, lot of trips, culture, the heritage, the green city. Always wanted to be a part of Bangalore. Then my sister came here. So every time I came to Bangalore, my first trip was to her house. And those are the beautiful memories of Bangalore, the food of Bangalore, the people of Bangalore, the love that always one gets, and you can see it here. You know, actors like Rajkumar ji,
Yes.
the late Puneet.
Puneet,
I was
sir.
very close to him and I always wished good for him. Kicha,
Wow,
all
Sudeep,
those
sir.
boys, all of them who are very, very close to me, and I've always wished good for them. So, you know, for me, Bangalore is all about good people, good city, good stay, good climate, and now, of course, Jai in Tulu and in Kannada.
So we are talking about Jai. Rupesh, Sunil sir is here. So Kannadal bartide, Tulul bartide. When can we expect Jai in Hindi also? Isn't that a good
No,
news, sir?
soon. I was, as a matter of fact, discussing with Anil Anna in the car that there are so many beautiful subjects. Because times have changed now.
Yes.
It's no more language that is a barrier.
There's no language barriers for
A
that.
good film crosses all parts. So there was a subject that I had in mind, and I'm definitely going to discuss that with Rupesh, because I feel it is larger than large from a subject perspective. So I think I will discuss it with him. You know, seeing the impact that this film has made.
So what's the best part of Jai film which nobody should miss watching it?
I think the honesty of the film, the honesty of the people of Karnataka, of the Tulunad also, and even from my character. My character is me, is
Lovely.
Sunil Shetty. This is the way Sunil Shetty thinks even in real life. My people, my culture, my roots, my state, my country matters to me more than anything else. For me, it is always Bharat first, India first. My Karma Bhumi, Mumbai, that has given me, Maharashtra, that has given me everything. My Janma Bhumi, Karnataka, Mulki. I was born in this little place
Mulki.
called Mulki, close to Durga Ma's temple, that is the Bapanath temple. So that culture and those roots stay with me. And I honestly believe that I had no clue that I would ever become an actor. But I think her blessings kept me going and, got me out there. So I think the entire family is blessed that we were born into a culture so beautiful and a land so pure. I mean, I always say that God was born there, and that's where we come from as his disciples.